Ball Python Genetics, Episode 4, Incomplete Dominance. We're in the bedroom today because this is where Tyr is quarantining, and he's going to help us talk about this. Incomplete dominants are dominant phenotypes that, when blended, turn into completely new phenotypes. Phenotypes are basically observable traits, such as like hair color and eye color in humans. In ball pythons, we would call these morphs. Incomplete dominants are much like regular dominants in that they only require one copy of the gene to produce the phenotype. But in order to really understand these, we need to understand that genotypes are made up of two alleles, one from the mom and one from the dad. With dominant genes, only one allele presents itself visually. However, with incomplete dominance, both the mom and the dad can have the same phenotype. And when passed along to the babies, it is possible for the mom to have one of the alleles, the dad to have the other, and the baby to end up looking completely different than both of them. Wow, that got complicated. Let's simplify it a little. When we're talking about ball pythons, incomplete dominance can have something known as a superform. Superforms have two copies of the same gene, one passed from the mom and one passed from the dad. Those superforms appear different than the normal forms do. Tyr here is what's known as a super banana. Both his mom and his dad were bananas. While he does have a couple different genes at play, he does look entirely different from your normal bananas. For example, he won't get those spots as he ages. Additionally, one of the really cool things about superforms is that when you pair them with another snake, they will always pass on one copy of that gene to their babies. This means if we were to pair him to a normal, all of the babies would be bananas. I'm going to go over the Punnett square on what this would look like for him and Frigg next week, but for now I just wanted to introduce these terms. I am going to be on live tonight talking about this, so feel free to jump in with any questions.